My name is Cody Scott. I'm the owner of Bexar Farm. I'm a co-owner with my wife, Natalie Scott.
We have two little ones, a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old, and we grow vegetables, fruits, pecans. We raise ducks, turkeys, chickens. I grow the microgreens here for the farm. So when we started this farm, it wasn't a farm yet. We just had a couple raised garden beds like on the side of our house. And then my husband Cody was in the oil field, and when that crashed, he had been watching tons of YouTube videos and reading books about how to like hone in gardening at that time. And then he thought, you know what, I'm gonna start digging, build some plots, and see if we can actually grow a sellable amount of produce.
And during that time, I started doing a lot of research into farming, and I thought it could be profitable. And so that's when the digging began, and we started with 1/4 of an acre and made our first sell in spring of 2018. Some of the challenges I've had as a first-generation farmer have been not having any current resources to fall back on. I didn't learn anything from my parents or their grandparents. Everything we've learned has either been through books, YouTube, things like that. I found out about the Natural Resource Conservation Service through YouTube, actually. I found a farmer out in Florida who had just received a tunnel through some financial assistance. I didn't even know what a tunnel was at the time, but I learned that it was great for growing.
My name is Samantha Salinas. I'm the resource team leader for the San Antonio Resource Team, and my territory covers 5 counties. NRCS has helped Bexar Farms currently with 3 seasonal high tunnels. They're looking at increasing high tunnels on their property, adding 2 more, including the possible drip system in the pecan orchard. And then just with some basic technical assistance with leaving crop residue for savings as far as water, and then like using it as a barrier to prevent weed infestation.
By having the high tunnels, we can prevent so much rain from getting on the crops, which also saves us time and labor in like post-production. So after Cody harvests, we're not having to wash them a million times because there's no rain splatter up on them. So it's very clean by the time we package and get to the hands of people.
The NRCS technical service has really helped us out, because without that we would never even have been profitable enough to afford our place. I've gone from working 2 jobs to now I am a farmer full-time. And that's all due to the NRCS.
Cody and Natalie not only having just humility when it comes to their work ethic, they are first-generation farmers, and so they didn't have the advantage of an ag background. And so when they purchased the property, none of this existed, minus the pecan trees. That's all that was here. So they had to learn through a lot of trial, through a lot of error, and what was gonna be the best fit for their farming operation. Cody being a beginning farmer rancher, Natalie as well, and then Cody also having military service and being a vet, has been instrumental also in the Battleground of Breaking Ground program that's here in Texas, and educating others, other beginning farmer ranchers, other military and vets on how successful it has been for him and his experiences.
Being a veteran has been, I think, a key role in becoming a farmer. It's both are very tough jobs, and I think having been through what I went as a veteran, I had the resolve to get through the hard times in farming as well.
I never in my wildest dreams thought I would be a farmer, but I love it.
When I first got into farming, the reason why I wanted to become a farmer was we had a child that was just born and another child that was soon coming after that. And we had always had a desire to lead a healthy lifestyle, but having kids really changed something inside of me. I wanted to be able to provide a good life for them, and I knew in our area there was nowhere to really buy good food. I also enjoyed the idea of growing produce. There's something free about it, like not working for the man and working for yourself. And my kids really helped me with that journey.